In the last few years, India has seen a worrying rise in fire accidents. Every year, nearly 25,000 people lose their lives to fire-related causes, and a large portion of these tragedies begin with one preventable trigger: electrical short circuits. These numbers aren't just statistics. They're a reminder that electrical safety can't be compromised. For over 2 decades, V-MARC India Limited has been committed to building safer, stronger electrical solutions for every home, industry and solar setup. And now, that commitment reaches a new benchmark with electron beam cross-linking technology, the technology that makes wires tougher, safer and more reliable. Flexi-tough wires are engineered to withstand temperatures up to 150 degrees Celsius and resist fire, ensuring maximum safety in homes and buildings. For heavy-duty performance, EB+ power cables deliver unmatched durability, thermal stability and long life under demanding power conditions. And for the future of clean energy, V-MARC solar DC cables are built to handle extreme weather, high UV exposure and long-term outdoor performance. Because when it comes to protecting lives and powering progress, safety isn't optional, it's essential. And with V-MARC's e-beam technology, India is wired for a safer tomorrow.